Now pressing the Longo. Machine starts to brew. Using the capsule and the milk is ready. Very nice.